Hello everyone. Hello Abhishek sir, Swati ma'am, Kairun ma'am, Mamta ma'am, Anuradha ma'am, everyone. Hello. If all of you are able to see me and hear me, please write yes in the chat box. Hello Prem sir. Hello Arvind sir. After a 1 week break. Okay. Awesome. Super. Good morning. Great. So how are you all feeling right now? On a scale of 1 to 10, where is your energy level? 10 on 10, super awesome. 10 on 10. Anybody feeling less than 10? 10 on 10, 10 on 10. 6 just woke up. Okay, no problem. Super. So, welcome everyone to our first ever, community event which we have opened up for, all of you. So, you are here into this room of reboot. What do you exactly understand by reboot? All of you. Tell me in the chat box, what do you understand by reboot? Something to restart from basics, okay. Restart or reprogram, yes. Anybody else who wants to tell? What exactly do you think is my intention of doing this? Restart with upgradation, great one, very close. Switch on again, realignment with appreciation, super awesome. An idea, okay. So before we start, I just want to set the context. So just wanted to understand: are all of you able to see my screen? Yes, absolutely. So are all of you able to see my screen? Just write Y in the chat box if it's a yes. Awesome, great, super awesome, everyone. So, first of all, welcome to Reboot 1.0, our first, our first community event that we are doing. And this is basically all about, until today, you were all listening to my success and all. Today, I want to show you the other side of all the things that you might not know, or you may know, some of you might know this. So, why am I doing this? First, I want to share my intention because a lot of us, in this journey, how many of you would agree we need a lot of patience, commitment, and, a lot of consistency? Just write down yes in the chat box if you feel that we need that. Just a minute. Okay. Okay, sorry for the disturbance. There was someone in the waiting room. So, my intention of doing this Reboot 1.0 is to help you understand that wherever you are today, you can go to the next level no matter whatever comes. Whether rejection comes up, whether, any kind of challenge comes up, how many of you want to know that side of you and me? Just write yes in the chat box if you want to know that. Okay, awesome, great. So, first thing which I want to take you through is what is going to actually happen inside this room today. The first thing that we are going to do is we are going to be understanding the journey of Quantum Leadership Academy. All of you here just wanted to understand how many of you here are aspiring coaches. Just write AC, or anybody here who is not from my community, just write C in the chat box if you are a coach or if you are an aspiring coach. Aspiring coach, aspiring coach, coach. Okay, so journey of QLA, I'll be showing you my journey. I'll be talking to you about how QLA was formed, what was the vision behind it, and all the things that came up to reach to where I am today. Next thing that I'm going to be revealing to all of our community members is some of the special reveals. 1111, great. So today we will be, revealing some of the most beautiful things that I planned for you in the last week. So this week, break to anybody of you who is from my community, you all know that this was a break this week. and you will exactly know what was I doing whole of this week. And the third thing that we are going to do is, as you know, 2025 is just around the corner, I'll be sharing some of my vision and taking you through a beautiful meditation to help you ignite your vision. How many of you are excited for that? Just write E in the chat box if you are excited. Okay, okay, I'll speak both English. Super, great everyone. So before I move on, the first thing which I want to tell you is, you know, आप कुछ भी कर सकते थे अभी, मतलब you could be busy in your task, it's a Sunday morning, you could be relaxing with your family या काम कर रहे होते, but if you are here, I want to acknowledge you for your presence. So pat yourself on the back, everyone, right now. Just pat yourself on the back because you are here, and I really want to thank you because आपके बिना ये event भी नहीं होता. So just give a huge round of applause to each one of you over here. Awesome. Great. So are we ready to start? Just tell me in the chat box, are we ready to start? The more exclamation marks you give me in the chat box, the more I am going to be excited to share the things with you. Ready, yes. Super, great. So first thing, let me start by sharing evolution of QLA. So before I move on, you know, like the first thing which I want to understand is, anybody who is joining my room for the first time, just write FT in the chat box if you are here in my room for the first time and you do not know me. Okay, awesome, great, thank you so much. So let me first take you through my journey of, you know, like how QLA was formed and how, like, what we are doing today, what was the struggle behind it, and you know, from where it all started. So the first thing, in 2020, you already know, if you know, like if you have been attending my sessions, you know that in 2020 something huge happened in my life, जिसकी वजह से I got into depression. I lost someone I loved, not because of death, but because of some clashes in our family. And because of that, you know, like going through a loop of sadness, depression for around 1 year, I realized that something is going to happen. So the first phase that I entered into was a depressed phase. You know, like depressed phase, exactly जब मुझे पता ही नहीं चल रहा था कि where my life is going, I was acting as if I was happy from outside, but inside I knew I was totally broken. Anybody can relate to me who has ever experienced this in your life कि आप सिर्फ act कर रहे थे कि आप खुश हो, but अंदर से you knew that you are not happy. And if anybody over here is still going through that period, more power to you, because you know, like I want you to know this all is going to be worth at one day. Awesome, great. So my first phase that I entered into was depressed phase. Like this was me in 2020. You know, like no smile. Whenever I used to take selfies, it was like, okay, my life was not going very well. But one day came, हम सबकी लाइफ में एक ऐसा डे आता है जब we are like, बहुत हो गया, enough is enough. And this day came in my life when I you know, like wanted to kill myself. And at that point of time, only thing which stopped me was that something is going to happen. Or you know, like I always was a girl from childhood, since childhood, that I didn't want to do anything like that. I was very ambitious, I wanted to do something big, लेकिन ये नहीं पता था what is going to happen. And so, you know, like I entered from that reincarnation phase, and I made that decision, one decision which changed my life completely. And that decision was, I am going to take 100% responsibility of my life, no matter whether good happens or no matter whether bad happens. How many of you are able to understand? So you tell me, I want to ask you first thing in the chat box, what decision did you make in your life which changed you completely? What was your decision जो आपने कभी अपनी लाइफ में लिया था जिसकी वजह से your life completely changed. You are the person you are just because you made that decision. To believe in myself. Are all of you able to see me? Okay. So then, ma'am, that could be any technical issue. Enough is enough. I will control my mind. I will not my mind control me. Not bothering about other people and do what I like. Absolutely. I decide to come out of my monotonous life. Awesome. Great. So are all of you are all of you with me till now? Are you able to understand the whole journey? Taking a stand for myself, start accepting myself the way you are. Absolutely. Great. Life goes on no matter what is what I say. Absolutely. Great. So I made this one decision of my life, and from there my hope phase began. वो होता है ना कि अगर आपको एक कुछ आप डिसीजन लेते हो और आपको लगता है कि हाँ कुछ बेटर हो सकता है. So I started entering from a person who completely lost hope in her life, from someone who was completely sad in her life, to started evolving as a person who started feeling that hope. हाँ कुछ है, मतलब मैं भी कुछ कर सकती हूँ और मैं भी इस चीज से बाहर आ सकती हूँ. And that's when I started doing self-love practices. That's when I started doing gratitude. And that is something which changed my life. How many of you feel that gratitude changed your life as well? Just write me in the chat box if you feel that gratitude changed your life as well. Awesome. Great. So after going through this hope phase, the phase of warm-up came. The warm-up phase where basically I started going through this hope phase. And मैंने अपने आप को मोटिवेट करने के लिए YouTube वीडियोस सुनना स्टार्ट कर दिया था. How many of you do like this? That whenever you feel depressed, you go on YouTube and you say कि how to motivate myself. This is something which I started doing. The warm up, in the hope phase, I started searching on YouTube how do I motivate myself, and luckily I found a channel of Jack Canfield. Jack Canfield is one of my biggest inspirations from starting. And one thing which I started doing was warm up phase के time पर उससे enter करने से पहले I started doing all the inner work to understand myself, to see what is going on in my life. And slowly and steadily I started entering into the warm up phase where what happened in December 2020 I made my first vision board. Anybody here who is a fan of vision board? Anyone here who is a fan of vision board? Okay, awesome. I got to know कि vision board कुछ होता है और आप जब उसको बनाते हो आप उसमें अपना dreams लगाते हो पूरे 1 year का. And then I started feeling okay, I can do this too. And I got to know this from Jack Canfield's video. And there I got to know that this is something I can also do. This is something which I also want to explore. And मैंने 2021 का सिर्फ एक बड़ा गोल बनाया था, so that I come out of my depression. And second thing that I started doing was I wanted to become a motivational speaker. I wanted to help people through that. I wanted to help people through what I was suffering through in my life. And that's when, do you want to know what miracle happened in my life in January 2021? Just write yes Gargi or yes G. Okay, his name is Jack Canfield. Sorry. Yes. Awesome. More interaction. So if you want to know what miracle happened in my life, just write yes G in the chat box. So, like December 2020, I made my first vision board, and on 4th January 2021, I actually joined like a meeting through a free webinar sort of thing. I was completely unknown of the webinar world at that point of time. मैंने उसको join किया, and at that point of time, what started happening was, like I'll give you a very funny reason of me joining that webinar. It was a motivational or inspiring webinar where we needed to introduce ourselves. And the reason I joined it was because I was very fond of talking to foreigners. So, like that inspired me to just go ahead and, like talk with all of them in the room. And I got to know that I was the youngest one who was attending it. And उसमें एक feedback मुझे आया था कि everyone in the room, they started crying after listening to my story. And from here, can you see a person who is wearing specs like Nietzsche? You can see Richard, sir. So basically, he was the person who actually identified that potential in me that yes, I can help people. And that was the moment मैं तो बस explore I was doing it, and at that point of time, he gave me the platform to start helping people out there on an international level. The first time when I got to know about this, I was like beginner's luck. ये like vision board मैंने बनाया था तो ये beginner's luck होगा, ये ऐसी किसी ने बोल दिया होगा, but you know what? It started to align in that way. My journey started aligning in that way. I started giving, like creating that global impact. I started writing books, like I have written 4 books till now. So 2021 was my phase where I was going through exploring and speaking. So everything that I mentioned in my vision board, वो धीरे धीरे करते करते alignment में आने लगा. How many of you are feeling inspired? Just write I in the chat box. And I'll tell you all the struggles that came after it. So these are the 4 books that I've written. Like The Lion-Hearted Soul was my first book. Then Poetry is Fun, Law of Attraction, and Donald's Diary. And these are the 4 countries where I started impacting people. Ghana, Nigeria, United Kingdom, and Spain. And it was all on the level of teenagers. So I was helping teenagers out there. 2021 was all a phase of me learning, going through that sparking phase and going through that hope phase. How many of you feel that you can do it too? I want to ask you this question. What's going on in your mind right now? Do you have to go through it or do you choose to go through it? Motivated, how? Yes, what will be my next step? I can do it too. I will help you answer that question, Mamta ma'am, at the end. I can do it too, absolutely. And one thing which happened in 2021, which I call as my shining phase, was, anybody can guess? Just a minute. It's not showing. Okay, no problem. I'll just tell you like verbally. So in not recognized as international speaker. 2021, I still remember 28th August was the time when I attended something called Trainer Mastery Program by Player Singer. And that was the time, where I started believing that I do have something to help people with. अभी तक क्या हो रहा था? I was going through that phase. I was feeling कि yes, I can do it. But on 28th August, something happened which made me realize that yes, I have something to help people with. So, do you want to know what exactly happened? Anybody here who was from that room, like August 2021, batch by Blair Singer? Okay, training program by Blair Singer. So he is actually called the Master of Masters. And like I attended that program. It was a 3 days boot camp. And like by coincidence, I got an opportunity to talk with him on screen. And at that point of time, I was like 14 years old. My journey just started. I was completely unaware of this coaching world. I started getting to know about Success Gyan. I started attending their webinars. फिर वहाँ से my first program was of Blair Singer. And like there, like I'll show you the videos later. When I talked with him, I got to know that yes, I do have something which I can help people with. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि आप खुद के अंदर की पोटेंशियल रियलाइज नहीं कर पाते, बट व्हेन योर मेंटर कम्स अप एंड सेज टू यू दैट यस यू हैव समथिंग, गो अहेड विद इट. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव गॉन थ्रू दैट प्रोग्राम, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव गॉन थ्रू दैट फेज वेयर समबडी केम अप एंड दे टोल्ड टू यू कि जा करके आ उसको. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव गॉट दैट पुश? So he was the push that I got, that like from there a spark came कि yes, something is there, but वो पता नहीं था क्या है. And like करते करते in 2021 only, our first version of community was launched, Enlightened Warriors Hub. It was not launched, it was just a vision in my mind. So Enlightened Warriors Hub, the vision was born at that point of time. That yes, maybe I can do it. That yes, I want to, like create a safe space for people where they are able to talk out everything. Like in my case, when I reflected back, I was not able to share it with anyone, even when I knew there are people to help me. And like anybody who is an introvert over here, you absolutely know हमें और ज़्यादा डर लगता है कि अगर शेयर कर दिया तो क्या होगा, right? So Enlightened Warriors Hub was born after that program, the first version of our community. Now taking you through the journey of 2022. How many of you are able to, like see all of it building up? The reason I'm sharing with all of you is something that I'll tell you later once I'm done with everything. So January to March 2022, the starter phase. The vision was there. I was finally ready. I completed my, like life coaching certification under my mentor. And then I went through this hackathon by our mentor Siddharth Rajshekhar. And starter phase में January to March 2022 I completed at first itself. मतलब like it didn't take me any more batches of hackathon. I did it for the first time and I finished it in the first time. But can I tell you the twist in this story? Just write yes in the chat box if you want to know the twist. Just write T in the chat box if you want to know the twist of hackathon. See, the twist of hackathon was basically everything was done, सब कुछ हो गया. The next day, like let's say for example, today is the second last day, and tomorrow morning at 11 AM, I needed to submit it. Can I tell you what happened with me the day before night? Like the day before that main day, night में 9 PM के आसपास मेरे वेबसाइट क्रैश हो गई. माय कोर्सेज गॉट लॉस्ट एंड एवरीथिंग वाज लाइक, सब जितनी भी मैंने मेहनत करी थी 3 months तक, इट ऑल वेंट. like कोर्सेज का लिंक कहीं और चला गया, कोर्सेज नहीं दिख रहे उसमें, एंड देन वेबसाइट का लिंक क्रैश हो चुका है, द वेबसाइट इज नॉट रेडी. एंड आई एक्चुअली मेड दैट वेबसाइट. आई थिंक इट टुक मी 1 to 2 weeks to make that website. How many of you have ever experienced this कि last moment पे सब कुछ बिगड़ गया? Anybody like me? So I've had the most adventurous moment at that time. And उस time पे 9 PM थे. I think उससे भी late ही होगा, 9:30 हो रहा होगा. I was like, अब मैं next hackathon में जाऊँ या फिर इस hackathon को कैसे complete करूँ? You know, like I started crying. I started crying at that point of time. I didn't know अब इसको करना कैसे है because I wanted to launch myself in the first go itself. I had two options: either join the next cycle or do like make everything once again in just that short time. What do you think I did? You tell me in the chat box. Yes, I made it all again. I didn't sleep that night. I made everything again. And I think 9:30 पे जैसे मुझे पता चला 10 PM से I started working. And then like I started working the whole night that मुझे ये करके ही सोना है. अभी like I was playing the Jigra song for all of you when you came, because that's where the inspiration comes from, that you never have to give up. And the whole night, finally at 11 AM, the form was sent to us through mail. I submitted the form at 11 AM and then I slept. How many of you are able to understand that अगर आपको करना होता है ना तो कोई excuses चलेंगे ही नहीं? How many of you feel that? Just write yes in the chat box. Thank you. So I paid once again for the webinar tool. Like I paid once again for the course tool and I did everything again in those, I think, 8 to 9 hours. And then the twist again comes in 2022. सब कुछ complete हो गया. I became a freedom finisher. But I didn't do anything for the next 6 months. I didn't do anything for the next 6 months except nurturing people for free. Here the coach in me was getting born. And anybody can tell me over here, why didn't I do anything for the next 6 months? I think some of you will know it. Doubtful sales with fear. Yes. How many of you are afraid of sales? How many of you are afraid of sales as a coach? कि मेरे अंदर confidence नहीं है. I was the biggest example of this part. I was not having any confidence to sell to people. My programs were ready. Everything was ready. But I was like, nahi hoga. Can I tell you some of the more challenges which I started facing? I utilized those 6 months to nurture people, but I was working with few people on one-on-one basis. The first time I made my first video, I got criticized, right? That I got, the first comment I got was that, who wants to listen to you, little speaker? You go drink milk and sleep. That was the line. Second thing, like the second struggle which I faced during this time was my first client. Like the first client I worked with, the first time it happened, like I faced rejection. Because it's very natural for anyone to believe that yes, a 14-year-old can help them to get out of their problems. So I was rejected. And like for the next few days, I was feeling that मेरे लिए ये है भी या नहीं, whether I'm meant for this or not. Should I go back to whatever I used to do before, like studies and all? But I still felt कि नहीं, एक ही बार तो हुआ है, बार-बार थोड़ी हुआ है. So like I didn't give up at that time. With my faith, that person came back. She enrolled in the program and she got completely transformed. The third, like the third struggle which I faced, I didn't have confidence to even go on cameras. Speak in front of people. Can I tell you, I used to cancel my calls before going to any call because I was so afraid कि ये मुझसे हो भी पाएगा या नहीं. And being an introvert, वो एक next level पर होता है. How many of you are able to understand? How many of you are able to relate with me? Just write yes in the chat box. Awesome. Great. So during those 6 months, I didn't do anything, but my starting से मेरा जो एक strong point था, it was consistency. That I was consistent. I showed up for people every single day. It was like हम लोग रोज live sessions करते थे for 1 hour or for 30 minutes. And it started, that thing started happening where people started finding value. And finally, October 2022, I launched my community, the first community called Dream by Design Academy. I'll tell you my name strategy also. कितनी बार हमारी community का name बदला है before it being Quantum Leadership Academy. It started with Dream by Design. Then it became Enlightened Warriors Hub. Then it became Soul Family. Then it became Expert Excellence Academy. And finally today the final name that I feel aligned with is Quantum Leadership Academy. Now why am I sharing this with you is बहुत सारे हम जो लोग हैं ना, we get confused or we get stuck just because of perfectionism. To anybody who has followed me, to anybody who has followed me, मेरे Instagram पे week by week bio change होता था. Because I was very open to learning, I was very open to failing. And today also I keep on experimenting things. How many of you are able to understand that it's very very important to start? अगर जब तक आप start ही नहीं करोगे तब तक आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा. क्वांटम लीडरशिप एकेडमी अभी इसलिए आया बिकॉज मैंने सारे नेम्स को एक्सपेरिमेंट करके ये नेम अलाइनमेंट से आई स्टार्टेड फीलिंग अलाइन टू इट. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड? So the first lesson that I would love for you to make a note of is perfectionism should not stop me. Otherwise वो चीज आप रिपीट करते जाओगे, nothing is going to happen. In 5 months, October 2022 to February 2023, I went into the champion phase. I got Hall of Fame. I achieved Hall of Fame in February 2023. I was interviewed by my mentor Siddharth sir on 1st March. Like to anybody of you who doesn't know Hall of Fame क्या होता है? Hall of Fame is when it's an award that you get in Internet Lifestyle Hub when you cross the mark of 3 lakhs. So in 4 to 5 months when I finally launched, I was able to touch this mark. Now, the second lesson which I would love for you to write down is nurturing is very, very important in coaching. ये इसलिए भी आया because वो 6 months मैंने अच्छे से nurture किया था. You don't need to go through 6 months without selling. But, one of the mistakes which I did was I kept on nurturing for 6 months. And by 6 months, I started feeling that people are taking my content for granted. So don't do like me, but I'm sharing my mistakes and struggles so that you know कि आपको क्या चीजों का ध्यान रखना है while being a coach. How many of you are able to understand? Are all of you with me? Just write WU in the chat box if you are with me. Awesome. Great. Superb. Now coming to another cycle of me going into another phase. And I think this is the first time I'll share it except my community members. The bad coach phase. I like to call it the bad coach phase. It took me a lot of time to accept this, but it is what it is at that point of time. So what happened was in April 2023, everything was going very well. April 2023, how many of you have ever been into that phase of your life जब आप बहुत committed होते हो लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं से you get influenced. That अगर सब उस path पे जा रहे हैं तो मैं भी उस path पे जाऊंगा. Anybody like that? Right. So this phase for me started in April 2023. My classmates, most of my classmates, I am from humanities stream. So most of my classmates were going into law. So, like unko sunte sunte, I felt that I want to be a lawyer. Without giving any second thought, I stopped everything as a coach. I went into this field. I started preparing for it. And 3 to 4 months down the line, I felt this is not for me. 3 to 4 months later, I realized that this is not for me. And my parents were very supportive to be like, अगर मैंने उनको बोला था कि मुझे ये करना है, जब मुझे stop करना था तो we stopped. But can I tell you, the phase after that was completely very, very difficult. My community got lost. The reason I call this as a bad coach phase is because I left my own community where whatever things I told them, I could not deliver them. And it took me a lot of time to accept this fact, this phase, that yes, something like this happened with me and in my community. There were a lot of challenges. Nobody was active when I came back. In October 2023, I left law. And then November 2023, I started coming back again in my community. And it was very hard. Like, to all the people who were in that time with me, thank you so much for holding that space. And वो करते करते, it was like I lost confidence as a coach. I lost confidence in me. My self-esteem got totally low. There were a lot of challenges that I was going through. Like a room which was filled with people. I started going into webinars where I would announce the webinar, or one person used to come, 1 or 2 people. From almost having a room of 100 people organically to being in rooms where only 2 people came. Similarly, in our community, when I started coming back, there were a lot of issues. And it started coming, I never gave up. A lot of times this thought used to came to me that sab kuch khatam ho gaya. I am not meant to be as a coach. This is not something I want to do. And can I tell you, the one thing which I learned from this phase is, if you are meant to do something, you will be redirected to it. I went into law, I went into other things, but ultimately I got redirected to what I wanted to do. How many of you are able to understand? Just write yes in the chat box if you are able to relate to me. And the reason I want to share this phase is because जरूरी नहीं होता कि आप बहुत अच्छा करके सिर्फ अच्छा ही चलता रहेगा. I went to approximately 30 members in our community. It was all active. I went to receive the award from my mentor Siddharth sir, which was one of my biggest dreams. After that, again that low phase came. And I actually started from scratch. Zero se again started once again. Again, from going through that bad coach phase, I went into the loneliness and struggling phase. How many of you feel that जब आप एक तरह से stop लेते हो और फिर वापस आते हो तो journey easy नहीं रहती? How many of you would agree with me? I'll give you a very simple example as a coach. When you are making videos continuously and when you take a break for say 1 month, वो 1 month के बाद वो confidence energy ही नहीं आती कि मैं क्यों बनाऊं videos. How many of you are able to understand? Yes, I was there in last 6 to 7 months. I am still struggling the mind sad phase. Absolutely. So loneliness, struggling phase, वही सब वापस से start हो गया. जहाँ से मैंने start किया था, वही I got again. And from there, I kept going, I kept nurturing people. I stopped selling. Honestly speaking, November 2023 के बाद, March 2023 के बाद, I did my next sale in February 2024. 1 year gap, almost a year gap, because I didn't want to come back with a mindset कि चलो वापस से सेल स्टार्ट करते हैं. फर्स्ट जो मेरे पास ऑलरेडी थे, मुझे उनको रिजल्ट्स लाने थे. So I stopped. It was very difficult. Nobody believed in me. I stopped believing in me. But I knew somebody inside me kept on pushing me ki you can do it, you can do it. And ignition phase started when, like October 2023 to January 2024, I was doing everything for my community, for nurturing people. And then धीरे धीरे करते करते February 2024 we did our first 2 days Ho'oponopono batch, which brought all the energy back. Like, we did our first Ho'oponopono batch because Ho'oponopono completely shifted my mindset when I did it. And so I thought, let me start it. February 2024 se again the thing started going smooth. Again I started from scratch. You can say this year also was from scratch. The ignition phase. And now coming to February 2024, to the to the person till now, the journey from scratch again. I'm telling you this is very very important for each one of you to know here, because agar aap committed ho na, like today I have gone through that bad coach phase, each every single phase, to somebody who is now 10x committed for her life and for the people she's impacting. So the journey from scratch again to a peaceful me, like more success stories inside the community, a vibrant community QLA, launch of our diamond membership, which was done in front of 3 members like Prem sir, Arvind sir and Neha ma'am. And then, after that, our first summit, which was done on 5th October, offline summit, 5th October 2024. How many of you feel that you can do it too? Just write yes in the chat box. Before I share the next result, I want to ask you, how are you feeling right now? Like, I've shared every phase of my life to all of you, especially as a coach. So how are you feeling? Like, what's going on in your life? What's going on in your mind? I can relate, hopeful. Anyone else? Inspired? Inspired? Can I give you a more bulb on moment? Got goosebumps. If you want a bulb on moment, just write BU in the chat box. There is hope in every worst situation. Absolutely. And then, from starting scratch again, like last year, I don't think last year was all, more of a struggling year rather than something good. And then, this was very unbelievable for me also कि scratch से वापस से start करके I built it up to journey to 13 lakhs. And you can do it too. How many of you feel that you can do it? Just write yes in the chat box, and the reason I am sharing with all of you is because I know you can do it. And the last thing is the person I am becoming. The person I am becoming on a daily basis. And I want to take this moment to thank my parents for their support, my mentors, and especially to all of you. Because you were there to hold space for me at that point of time in last year. To all the members who faced that phase with me, then the next time, this already, like each one of you, whether you are a part of my community or not part of my community. So give a huge round of applause to yourself right now. Awesome. Great. So now let me tell you what exactly is reboot. Reboot is not about me. It's to help you know that this is a journey which needs a lot of patience, a lot of consistency, efforts, and trust in the process. I had days when I didn't want to wake up. I had days when I didn't feel like nothing, well, I felt like nothing is working out. But all you need is that trust in your own self. और वो धीरे धीरे सब कुछ हो जाएगा. Awesome, Jalpa ma'am. You awesome. You all are a blessing to me as well. Great. So now sharing you some of our pictures of our community members from our first retreat. So this is the community. Like this is our first quantum awakening paradise retreat that we had in Delhi. And special thanks I would love to give to my parents for always being there. So the first part of journey of QLA is over. How are you feeling right now? What's going on in your mind? You tell me your action step. Action step you tell me. आपका क्या action step होगा after this reboot is over? Just a minute, everyone. I was not able to see any one of you. Okay, now it's fine. Motivated, blessed to be with the angel with guidance to uplift us in a very supportive way. Great. I need to also start from scratch. Inspired, and it feels I can do it too. Yes, you can do it. Super awesome, Jalpa ma'am. So now it's time for special reveals. Like I'll tell you why we were on break this week. वैसे दिवाली तो खत्म हो गई थी last week, but I still gave all of you the break for this week because I was preparing all these things for all of you. So the first, okay, before I reveal the things, how many of you want to know about it? Just write yes in the chat box if you want to know. Yes. Super, great. So this is specially for all of you who are a part of my community. So there are some additional things that have been added in your portal. Like if you are a part of silver membership, all of you are. So first thing that we have done, refined, is Quantum Leadership Launchpad. That is a program which will help you to understand what our community is. Because like I was getting this feeling that whoever was joining somewhere, they were not able to understand from where to start. So Quantum Leadership Launchpad is a program which will help you to understand the whole thing that we do inside our community. आपका क्या path है as a silver member, आपको कैसे जाना है community में. Next thing that we do is bundle of live master classes. The next course that have been added inside your membership is a bundle of live master classes. Like these are a bundle of powerful master classes on personal development and coaching to help you know more about like how you are going to go ahead with the things apart from whatever we do live. Next, yes, like you are already a silver member, these are some of the things which are added. Like आपको एक तरह से मैंने दिवाली सरप्राइजेस दिए हैं, पोस्ट दिवाली सरप्राइजेस. Next is time 21 days self love challenge. So like self love has changed my life, so you are going to be getting a 21 days self love challenge. Time management, the most important part as a coach or as a person, even if you are not a coach, you need to manage your time. How many of you would agree? Just write yes in the chat box if you agree with me that time management is your most priority thing that you need to know. So time management blueprints is something that you are going to see. Relationship mastery. Always remember, the quality of your life depends on the quality of the relationship that you have, first with yourself, second with God, and third with others. How many of you are able to understand? So in this relationship mastery, I'll be taking you through how to go through each one of the phase, how to have a great relationship with yourself, your any energy that you believe in, whether God, universe, or anything else you call it. And the third is relationship with other people. And next thing that we are doing for all our members is in December, we are having a 4 days program. How many of you have seen the dates? Anybody here who has not seen the dates? Okay, if you have not seen the dates, I'll message in the group once again. So, we have done Unleash the Genie, I think 2 to 3 months back. It's like a 4 days power packed program. But next month in December, we are doing a 4 days program, all based on a new level of unleashing the genius inside you, which is like more towards planning and helping you to start your 2025 in the best way possible. How many of you are excited? Like December is my favorite month because we make vision boards in that month. Awesome, great. Next is Brandathon. So Brandathon, we are restarting everything from tomorrow. Restart in the sense, restart after reboot 1.0. So whatever, like we have covered 3 missions, the 4th mission you will see a new version of it. And the last thing that has been added in your course is, I have seen a lot of you struggle with money frequency. So I have gifted you this program to help you, create your money frequency to the next level. How many of you are excited for this? Just write yes in the chat box if you are excited. Awesome, great. So all these, especially to all the silver members, you will be able to see it at 8 p.m. Like it's scheduled at 8 p.m. So you will see all these courses at 8 p.m. today. Rest of you, whether you're a gold member or diamond member, you can already see your gold and diamond program. So excited about gold membership? Usme kya hai? Just write yes in the chat box. So gold membership, to anyone who doesn't know here, it's only and only for one-on-one as well as group accountability for coaches. So, like the first thing that you have got inside your program is a business high ticket framework. Like sometimes kya hota hai ki maybe you get stuck somewhere and you just get stuck और फिर आप वो कर नहीं पाते. So business high ticket framework is a completely advanced program to help you launch your high ticket program. And you can already see it like tomorrow at 12 p.m. when we have the focus room. I'll explain you how to go through that program. Next is daily focus rooms. In daily focus rooms, you will start seeing a new version of the workflow. So congratulations, ये आपका last break था. अब next break आएगा New Year पे. How many of you are able to understand? Yes. तो बहुत enjoy कर लिया. अभी कल से back to work. Next is daily accountability to help you scale. One sheet is that I have given you, daily accountability tracker. The next sheet is mine, which only I can see कि आप कहाँ पर हो. So tomorrow in the daily focus rooms, I'll show you those sheets also so that you know आपका हर step I am seeing you, right? The next thing is a new path. New path is created for everyone, whether you are silver, gold or diamond member. You will get it by 8 p.m. Like keep an eye on your portal today. Trackers have been made and now more things will be done on your technical stuff, right? Because most of you lack on technical part. And of course the strategy is already given in high ticket framework. So how many of you are excited? Just write E in the chat box. Are you loving the gifts? Just write LZ in the chat box if you love these gifts. Awesome, great. And finally, to all the diamond family over here, you have got all these programs, a new version. Like एक होता है जो हम लोग live करते हैं और एक होता है जो आपका मैंने बनाया revision modules. So sometimes in live program, we keep on discussing things. So it may not be, you may not be able to understand इसको समझाना कैसे है. So all the programs in Diamond, they have, you all have got a revision module course a step by step framework कि इसको समझाना कैसे है. How many of you are able to understand? So does that sound cool? Just write C in the chat box if it sounds cool. And one thing that we have added is quantum leadership calls, which are going to start from Monday. Like every Monday we have diamond call at like 8 p.m. And then customized path for each member. Tomorrow when I'll meet you, I'll explain you all of this. Now coming to the most important part, gamification. How many of you are ready to play a game with me inside the community? It's for everyone. Just write yes in the chat box if you are excited to play a game with me inside the community. Awesome, great. The first, this is a game which will be played every month. अभी ये game कैसे खेलना है? There are 3 awards that every month we are going to give. The first award is Change Makers. Change Maker is for a silver member. How you are going to be tracked is whether you are consistent in like जो भी हमारी community में हो रहा है, whether you are attending it live, recorded नहीं, whether you are attending it live. If there are like around 16-17 calls in a month, then if you are attending like अगर 17-18 calls होती है, I'll give you the full path, but I'm just explaining you right now. If 18 calls are done in a month, then at least you should be present in 16 calls. Then only you are eligible for this award. Next thing is, like in the Change Makers, the next thing is हर सेशन में जो भी हो रहा है और जो भी एक्शन स्टेप आपको मिलता है, are you exactly doing it or not? Are you doing that thing or not? Because like a lot of us, we keep on attending sessions, लेकिन जो हो रहा है हम उसको implement ही नहीं कर रहे. And one rule which I have made inside the community from now is, I will not allow you to enter my room until and unless you don't complete your last session's task. Done, everyone, whether you are a gold or a diamond member or a silver member. Understood, everyone? The second is committed coach. All these things will be sent to you as well in the path at 8 p.m. The next is committed coach. This is for gold members. Committed coach, whether you are completing every focus room task, right? आप focus room के task को कर रहे हो या नहीं कर रहे हो. The next thing is the day I am sending you the daily challenge, वो जो accountability challenge I am sending you, whether you are doing it or not. Just write yes in the chat box. Then the next thing, like committed coach में the third thing that I'll tell you as part of the process is whether you are attending the Wednesday calls or not. Just write, keep writing down these pointers, and as well as I will also send you. And the last thing that we are doing for diamond members is Elite Voyager. So Elite Voyager is somebody who is attending the calls of diamond call consistently, whether you are on track with what I'll be sending you on the path. So this is like a gamification system that we have made inside the community, which is going to be every month. How many of you are excited for this? Just write yes in the chat box if you are excited. Awesome, great, super. Now coming to the stages that we have inside our community. The first stage is when you complete Brandathon. You become Brandathon finisher. The second stage is Lions Club. When any one of you here achieves the mark of, like 2 lakhs. And the third stage is Impact Creator. I will keep on increasing this as my result keep on increasing. So if my result is at 13, then Impact Creator for now is also at 13. I will keep on increasing it the moment, like I keep on getting results. How many of you are able to understand? Just write yes in the chat box if you are able to understand. Okay. Awesome. Great. So excited for the new journey? Awesome. Great. This all will be sent to you at 8 p.m. Like you will receive a PDF for each one of these. Like Brandathon finisher, if you complete Brandathon, Lions Club, when any of you is able to cross the 2 lakh mark, and Impact Creator, when you are able to go till 13 lakhs for now. Understood, everyone? Getting it? Awesome. Great. So tell me, how are you feeling right now in the chat box? Okay. Sure. I'll repeat it once again. Brandathon finisher. Anybody who crosses the mark of Brandathon. Lions Club is for anyone who reaches till 2 lakhs. An Impact Creator is someone who reaches till 13 lakhs. So how many of you are committing me that you are going to become Impact Creator? Just write yes in the chat box, or just write I am an Impact Creator. Awesome. Ready for Brandathon finishers, excited with the roadmap. Mark of Brandathon is when you complete all the missions to start. Aapka social media is done, your courses are made. So we are going through that. Awesome. Great. So do you feel that this was your last break? Just write yes in the chat box if you feel that you are finally feeling right now कि अब हो गया break. Awesome. So the only thing that I want you to know through this reboot is things will get very smooth and the path will be sent today. So keep an eye on your portal. So any confusions were going on or anything was going on in your mind, I hope that from tomorrow when we are going to start again, आपके mind में कोई confusion नहीं होगा. Getting it, everyone? Understood? And this is something which is still not like launched right now. We will be launching it at 8 p.m. So जो भी चीजें हैं जो आपको मिलेंगी, you will be able to see it at 8 p.m. today. More powerful master classes are going to be hosted like in a next level way. जैसे हम लोग already कर रहे हैं, उससे और 10x more you are going to feel powerful with Gargi 1.0. Right? So it is not only Reboot 1.0, but it's also a Gargi 1.0. So one thing which I would love for all of you to write down in your own diaries is, I am ready to become your name 1.0. So let's say the Sugandh ma'am is writing, so she is going to write, I am ready to become Sugandh 1.0. How is the Josh? You tell me in the chat box. I'm ready to become Jalpa 1.2. Hi. Awesome. Super. Great, everyone. So now coming to the last part. I think वो पहली हमने 1 p.m. रखा था, but mostly everything is covered now. So vision for 2025. How many of you are excited to know? Just write yes in the chat box if you are excited to know. Just write E in the chat box if you are excited to know. Super. I just want to ask you, how many of you here have teenagers at your home? Like, just write me in the chat box if you have any teenager at your home. Okay. So this is not something for you. I've always wanted to impact teenagers, and it will start from our community's kids, right? So Visionary Empire is nothing but we will be seeing how we can also help teenagers from inside of our community. How many of you are excited for this? So it is a vision for 2025. I'm still making a plan for it. But like since starting, one of the most important things I felt is me being a teenager. If I don't help teenagers, it will not do any justice. So teenagers is like a visionary empire that we will be forming, and rest is kept for a secret. I will be revealing it in December. Done. How many of you are excited for it now? Awesome. Great. So, how many of you feel that 1.0 version is ready now for you and for me and for our community? Awesome. Great. Ready. Excited. So, just giving you once again a recap. Excited to see all of you tomorrow for 11:11 portal at 9:30 p.m. And I just want to ask here, how many of you here are not a part of QLA community? Anyone over here? If yes, then I'll be sending a Google form in the group. If you want to be a part of our community, you can just fill out that form and rest will keep it for suspense. Done? Excited everyone? Awesome. So anything you want to say, any feedback or anyone wants to add on anything? If you want to say, you can just raise your hand. Oh, yes, Arvind sir.
Yeah, Gargi, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah, actually, I'll go into a certain other perspective. Okay, from an you see astrological point of view, I got an guidance that in the next 10 days you need to, whatever you have kept pending, you need to restart and start doing it. And with the 11:11 portal coming up, this version 1.0, reboot 1.0, just it's like as if I have manifested it, it is just come, it's like I have manifested it, what, so it sort of aligns with what I wanted to do, in the coming days. So I just wanted to say thank you for this reboot 1.0.
Awesome, great. Let's give a huge round of applause to Arvind sir. Super. Yes, Mamta ma'am.
Hi, Gargi. Good morning.
Hello.
I have just a query. I think we have kept one session on Wednesday, 5 to 8, right?
Yes.
See,
Acha, good pointer. It's not 5 to 8, it's 6 to 8 only, right? So, we are not doing it from 5 to 8, it's only 6 to 8 p.m. Mamta ma'am, you got mute. Yes.
yes. Thank you so much. That was the main concern actually. I did
Welcome.
not wanted to miss that, and that's why I needed confirmation.
Yes.
Thank you.
Like I received a lot of messages for the timing change, so it's only 6 to 8 as usual it was. It's Ho'oponopono Healer certification, right? Yes, Mamta ma'am.
One more query. The session which was about to be done, like for the entire day, wala, when it is likely to be expected?
Life coaching.
हाँ life coaching वाला जो हम
It's 30th November and 1st December. I've shared in the group.
Okay, I'm so sorry. Actually, there are so many, multiple messages keeps coming, so somehow I got it missed.
No problem. I
Thank
will
you.
share once again everything by today.
Thank you.
Okay. So everyone, did you enjoy? Yes. Awesome. So you can enjoy your last Sunday. From tomorrow there is no Sunday. Right? Awesome. Great. So you all can open your cameras. We'll have a picture. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Done. We'll share it in the group. So thank you so much everyone for joining. See you all once again from tomorrow. Bye.